For our class activity, we have chosen to work with personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are used to represent a number of people, gender, person, and case. We chose to work with personal pronouns because it's important for children to know in order to construct their own sentences.
Our aims with this lesson are for the children to be able to use the personal pronouns when they speak and write in English. We evaluate them when we do the exercise on the whiteboard. After the lesson, we will also tell the children to hand in their worksheets, which will give us another opportunity to evaluate the lesson and the learning outcome.
We will start our activity by presenting the personal pronouns in both subject and object form. We will explain to the students that a personal pronoun is used to present the number of people, I, we, gender, he, she, person, I, you, or case, we, us. We will then write 5 sentences on the whiteboard, including proper names or a noun. For example, Anna is 10 years old. We will then change the proper name or the noun to a personal pronoun, in this case changing Anna to she. After this, we will ask the students what has changed in the sentence. We estimate this will take about 20 minutes. For the next part of our class, we will hand out worksheets for the students to work on individually. The worksheet will have 10 sentences in English, each missing a personal pronoun that the students will have to fill in. For example, blank has 10 fingers. Next to this sentence, there will be a bracket with a name, in this case Anna. So the student is therefore supposed to fill in the personal pronoun she.
When they have completed filling in the blanks of the 10 sentences, the students will have 5 sentences to translate from Swedish to English, which all contain a personal pronoun. For example, hon sjöng högt, she sang loudly. We estimate that this part of our activity will take about 25 minutes. For the final part of our activity, we will show the students a song on YouTube, which involves personal pronouns. The song goes, "Here's a song you've got to learn, and here's how it goes. I, she, we, he, they, I, she, we, he, they, and don't forget you." After we have listened to the song, they will get another worksheet with an owl pointing at different people. On the worksheet, they are supposed to fill in what the owl is pointing at. You, me, they, he, she, etc. We reckon this will take approximately 15 minutes.
The materials we will use for this lesson is the whiteboard, a video clip with a song, and worksheets. The problems that could occur during our lesson is that the children have a hard time understanding and keeping the personal pronouns apart. Understanding that a tiger is an it, while a pet cat you have a connection with is a he or she. To solve this problem, we will explain again and make sure that every child understands. Sandström writes that children are usually interested in songs, rhymes, and chants, and using these in a lesson enhances their communicative abilities. This is why we decided to use a song in our lesson. It is also important for the children to be able to discuss ideas and questions what they just heard, which is why we use a whiteboard activity so that all the children and the teacher will interact with each other.